In Singularity chapter, the calculation of gross profit is very important. Okay, so this concept of calculation of profit, what we are going to learn here, will be useful in your next coming semesters also. Okay, so we could also say the profit can be calculated either on the basis of cost. Okay, profit can be calculated on the basis of cost or on the basis of sales. Okay, so two things are there. Always remember, profit can be on the basis of cost or it can be on the basis of your sales. Then how will you apply this? That we are going to see. That means if the sales figure is available directly in the question, you will do the profit on sales. If the cost figure is available on the question, you will be calculating it directly on the cost. Okay, so suppose if one question is giving you the direct data of sales, say for example sales is 1 lakh rupees, then you can find out the profit percentage directly on your sales. Okay, suppose if the question is given you like this, say for example I could say profit is 1 minute. Profit is given as what to say 50 percentage on 50 percentage on cost. This is what they have given in the question. Okay, but cost data, we need cost data to find out the profit here, right? No, to do the profit I should know the cost. Then how I will be doing 50% into the cost data. Imagine if my cost is given as, sorry, cost is given as 1 lakh rupees. How I will do the profit here? Profit is equal to 1 lakh rupees into 50 percentage. I will be doing directly. This everyone knows, correct? No? So suppose my question is asking like this: profit is equal to 50% on the cost. But cost is not given in the question. Instead of cost, what is given in the question? Sales is given in the question. Look at the pattern of the question. Profit is 50 percentage on my cost. But what is not available in the question? Cost is not available on the question. What is given? Sales is given. So in such case, what I will do is, what is available on that I will be calculating my profit. So which figure is available here? Sales is available here, so I am planning to do my profit on sales. But is it possible for me to find out the profit on sales as 50%? We cannot do, because 50% is applicable on my cost. So how much will be applicable if I am doing my profit on sales? This is what we are going to learn. In such cases, we can easily use this table. One table I will show you. Okay, so that percentage you will be converting into fraction. In the sense, 50 percentage means what it is. Like I could write here 50 percentage means, how will you write it, students? 50 percentage is equivalent to 50 by 100. 50 by 100 is also equivalent to 1 by 2. This is how you will convert it. Okay, so you can remember easily two tables will be there. One is profit on cost and the other one is like profit on sales. All right, so if my profit on cost is 1 by 2, okay, my profit on cost, think about it, cost and sales, it is going in the like cost to sales. Okay, I will highlight here. Cost means, like if you check in the alphabetical order, C is coming first, then only what is coming, S is coming. So it is going in the ascending order here. Okay, so profit on cost is 1 by 2 means profit on sales will be 1 by 3. All right, same way, if profit on cost is 1 by 3 means profit on sales will be 1 by 4. Okay, and opposite will happen if I'm moving from here. Imagine if my profit on sales is 1 by 8, then how much will be the profit on cost? It will come as 1 by 7. Okay, same way, suppose if this is my profit on sales is 1 by 5. Imagine 1 by 5. Then how much will come here? 1 by 4 will come here. Okay. So this is how you will be finding the profit, and how you are going to find out whether you are going to do it on the cost or whether you are going to do it on the sales. Okay.